Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on color inversion mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for color inversion, we have to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for accessibility options here and visibility enhancements. Here we have color inversion. By default it's turned off. To turn it on, we simply check this box here, and here we have our shortcut that we can add to if we want. Yes, tap on accessibility, and let's back out. Now, by using this little shortcut, we can change our mode if we want to. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.